We're going to be basically checking up Cadillac Escalade every so often, every couple of days. Go and get it checked. Let's go. Right guys, so we're back in the body shop. Here is the Cadillac Escalade. As you guys can see, the car has changed direction. شوف هذا. scratch. ليش؟ They did contact me. They found that we need a bit more parts, which is absolutely normal. They will find little minor things that you would need to buy. You're not getting scammed. If you don't check up, they're going to feel like take a bit longer, do other jobs on the side and make some more money. If you do go back, check up on the car, then they will want to get the car done sooner as you're someone that's lingering around their shop. See, the back is now complete. The new boot is on. It's been painted. The rear lights are on. Everything is looking great. How do I open the button to open the bonnet? Isn't even connected. All right. It looks good though. That's good. At least the back is done. If you guys look at this, that's how the back of the car used to look. Now look, I just want to get the car out and just roll it on the road, you know what I'm saying? This quarter panel, now it's been fixed, primered, ready to get painted. The back of the, oh my God, look guys. What damage are you talking about? Accident? This was never involved in an accident. Don't lie. Yeah, it's looking good, man. This was all in. You need to find a body shop or a body repair center that does a good job. We haven't even finished. We've been progressing massively. That's because the garage knows what they're doing. And I know what I'm doing. I know what I need to check. I know what I need to ask about. So they know I know what's going on. That's why I need some sort of knowledge. And if you're someone that wants to get into buying and selling, then the link is below. Let's get you started. Scratch. This is why it's important to go and get your cars checked. This is reality. I could have hid this from you guys to make it seem like it's actually a lot easier, but it's not. Sometimes they do tend to do things to the car, lay things on the car. And as you can see, we have minor scratches on the car. But by me now pointing this out, showing him, guys, you done this, so you fix it. Don't put anything on the car. It shows them that I know what's going on. You know what I'm saying? And this shows them that also, they can't be doing this again, because if they do, I'm not the type of guy to accept it and call it a day. Whenever you take a flip to the body shop, even though it's a damaged car, take pictures from every single angle, which is what I've done. And I'll show him that none of these scratches were there. That way they'll fix them without any arguing. Always have evidence. Wow. All this dust that's in there is from them primering and sanding this and getting the, the alignment back. That's fine. Get the car washed, back to normal. Let's go to the front of the car. As you guys remember, the front of the car looked like this. Now it looks like this. The old bonnet is here. The brand new bonnet is there. This is the old parts. The good thing about this car is that it had an accident from the front, but the coolant of the radiator is exactly how it should be. That means that the radiator has no leakage. This is good because it means we don't need to replace the radiator, because the radiator for this car is super expensive. This is the old wing. This wing is the wing that was damaged. You guys can see the new wing is now on. Alignment looks great, amazing. It's not painted yet. The reason why I'm here as well is that the worker needs some more parts. And to avoid any confusion and then going back and forth, I'm just going to take all the old parts, go to Cadillac, give them the old parts so they give me the exact parts I need. This avoids time wasting, confusion, and even if they give me the wrong part. If they ever ask you guys for parts, just go and say, can I get the old part so I can match it with the new part? It saves you a lot of time. Right, another tip, guys, is that this car I bought, one of the reasons why I actually got this car is because if you look at all the wheels, they're not damaged. None of them are bent, none of them are damaged, none of them they haven't even been touched. That means the only damage this car had is literally bodywork. The front and the back of the car. Look at the back of the car, guys, it's done. The lights are already on. All the metal that was bent is fixed. They need to put the grills on and everything else. They took it off to paint it. The back is gonna be complete. Then they're gonna go into the front and then it's done. There's no wheels, no axles, no... You can get that fixed. I know exactly how to get that fixed. I used to do cars like that. I'll show you guys a 4 Series that I fixed, and I sold it for a profit. This is easier. When you see this type of flip, it's generally better than flips that have bodywork and axle damage, because then you need to change track rods, axles, wishbones, wheel alignment. It's still, you can do it. If you want to get into all of that and learn how that works, click the link below. I will teach you from A to Z. But if you find flips like this that don't have any axle damage, no wheel damage, trust me, it's a lot easier, quicker. This car is going to be back on the road quicker than if it had any more damage on the arms, legs, wheels, alloys, you know what I'm saying? Also, bear in mind, this is a 2023 plate car. So one alloy of this car probably costs a kettle or something. Things to look out for when you go and get a car, check while it's in process of getting fixed. So where they have fixed the car, I'll give you an example. This is the quarter panel that was badly damaged. Assess it and check it. Make sure that there are no dents, everything is nice and straight. It's always better for the body shop that you point things out early, because he's still working on it. I'm doing him the favor of fixing it before he even paints it, which saves them time and money. It doesn't save me anything. For me, it's just the knowledge that I've attained over the years. So I'm gonna do myself the favor because it saves me a bit of time, and I'm gonna point out anything that I don't like so that when the car is done and I pick it up, it's done to perfection. What I don't actually like is this. So if you come here and you look at the alignment of this here, This light will get polished. Don't worry about the dirt and the little minor scratches. This will all come off. If you guys can see, that alignment here is very nice and flush, and here is touching the body. It shouldn't be like that. How do I know this? Number one is the knowledge that I've attained over the years. Number two, let's go to the other side. As you guys can see, there is a little cheeky gap. This gap is there, from my knowledge, is for the rain, so that water can just slip through, come out with no problems. It's not really a big deal, but I want it to be done to perfection. This car has not been recorded as an accident damaged car. How can you check if a car has been recorded as an accident damaged car? Use Car Vertical. I've been using that for over the years. It gets you all the information from various different countries, gets the car checked, check if the car's been stolen, and check if it's been damaged. And even if the car is damaged and it's gone to the auction, Car Vertical normally has pictures to show that the car has been taken to the auction and the damage was like that. So you know kind of what you're buying, what you're getting into before you buy it. So if someone checks the car later and wants to buy it, they can point that out and say, what happened there? You know? So I'm going to tell them from now so they can get that fixed. So look at it here.
شوية برا.
شوية برا. Yeah? Make it wakala. He wants me to write my YouTube channel so they can watch themselves in the video.
Text WhatsApp number. Nice.
Very good. All right, guys. So I would say we came here for a job. So the main thing to why I came is check on the car, check for alignment where the car's been repaired, check for gaps, check for paint work. Most importantly, check that the car doesn't have any more damage. They might make mistakes. It's okay. Like he said, it's fine. He'll fix it. Just point it out so that later, when you do pick up your car after it's fixed, you don't get surprised by new damage on the car. Most importantly, I came here to match parts at the dealer. So I'm going to take my old parts, I'm going to go match them. Subscribe to the channel, share this video if you like it. If you want more builds like this, share the video, comment below. See you guys in the next one. Peace.